Welcome to Let's Talk Development Football, where future stars and leaders of the game connect. Ngabe umdlali, umqeqeshi noma umphathi weqembu. Siyeza kuwena to talk all things development football. Mina nguMapholo Obufuza ufulela mashiya amahle ngathi azoshumayela iqadu nyuswa. Namhlanje sijoyinwe uMpho, a player eMamelodi Sundowns under 19, i-champion ye-GDL. We are here today. They are going to get their trophy. Mpho, please introduce yourself to our viewers at home.
Ke nna Mpho Mlepo ke tswa Soweto ko Mapetla ke dlala Sundowns number 10 ko 19.
Babukeli bethu umshishi wakusasa uRibero wakusasa weMamelodi Sundowns sizombona ku DDC next year asazi. Mpho, nayi question enginayo for wena before nje we start. How does it feel winning the league nge-goal difference against the Highlands Park, who has been winning the league? It was going to be their third time if they won the league today. So how does it feel to you and our players in Mamelodi Sundowns wonke?
Sajabulisi because sesijwayele my and every game sithathe i-training session noma dlala ne-Highlands Chiefs sekuyi-training session.
Usashilo babukeli bethu Mpho kubona sebejwayele ukuwina sekusegazini just like iMamelodi Sundowns le endala. Mpho, i-journey yakhe iqala kuphi wena as a player njengoba usho ukuthi ubuye eMapetla? Where does your journey start?
Iqala kuMapetla Barcelona, coach Mzito, and ngifuna ukumbonga uyongenza ukuthi ngifike la ngikhona. Ngathatha coach Jimmy ku Chiefs 2022 ngathatha uye adlala under 13 lapho ne-15, then 2023 ngaletha coach Lunga la ku-Sundowns, then since ngila from 2023.
Usashilo babukeli usuka eMapetla Barcelona to Kaizer Chiefs under coach Jimmy Jambo, wathatha coach Lunga la ku-Mamelodi Sundowns. Namhlanje uzogqoka i-gold medal ye-GDL Stream A. Mpho, njengomntwana osuke eKasi, abazali, how is the relationship yakho as a soccer player nabazali bayakusupporta na ekwijeni yakho?
Yebo bayangisupporta vele because since ngisasemncane bangabelieve ukuthi ngakwazi ukuyidlala ibhola, especially umama because nagi kakhulu yabo
in terms of football
ngisasemncane. Thina abantu bamtshela ukuthi hayi ngazi ibhola, then ilapho vele ke sihamba amatrial kuma-Highlands Faith yabo Chiefs ngithatha vele abantu bamtshela ukuthi ngazi ibhola, then lapho ke from ku-Barcelona ngisadlala ka-11 ngisupporta naye ngayibona i-potential yabo.
Babukeli bethu bazali emakhaya useshilo Mpho, kubalekile ukuthi abazali basupport abantwana babo abadlala ibhola ukuze bafike la befisa ukufika khona bona abantwana, because it's not about us ama parents but it's about italent labantwana. Njengoba simbona uMpho, babukeli indlela adlala ngayo inhle kakhulu. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngimfanisa nabo Mshishi bakusasa, ngimfanisa nabo Ribero bakusasa abadlalile kuyona iMamelodi Sundowns. Mpho, mawucabanga wena iSouth Africa as a whole, are we doing justice to development? Siyabona under 17 is doing good kwi-World Cup, under 20 they did good kwi-World Cup, they won i-AFCON. So wena as a player mawucabanga as a country, are we doing justice to ibhola la South Africa?
Yebo nayenza kakhulu vele nayenza.
Kubona bonke abantu abasebholeni kuma development angafani, useshilo Mpho, we are doing justice. Ama results siyawabona, kunabo Mbekezeli Mbokazi abadlala ku-Pirates, kunabo Relem Mofokeng, babuya bonke la ku-GDL, kunabo Mduku, kunabo Mfundo ku-Chiefs, bonke babuya la ku-GDL. So babukele emakhaya, we are Let's Talk Development Football. We are here to teach more about the development football yase South Africa. We are here to motivate ama parents ukuthi support abantwana babo ku development yase South Africa. Development football. Siyabonga kakhulu Mpho ngokuthi ube nathi ohlelweni namhlanje. Siyabonga.